Yes, so Targetfish, we're 30 partners and 6 million euros from the European Commission, has been one of the largest European projects targeting fish vaccination.
I'm Panos Christophilogiannis, General Manager of AQUARK. We are participating in Targetfish project. We are leading the vaccination strategies work, and we are testing. Our role is to test different products and vaccines of Targetfish in the field and in the lab. ROSSI is a company from Denmark, was a partner in Targetfish, and we identified early on that they had a big potential for the Mediterranean Mariculture application, because you could vaccinate in with a simple machine which is robust and has not fancy automations that are very sensitive in the marine environment. You could inject fish as small as 10 grams, which is a critical difference from all the other machines. So we organized a workshop where we presented vaccination strategies for sea bass and sea bream, and we demonstrated with the support of the industry in the vaccination machine, where people could see hands-on the machine working for the first time.
My name is Cathy Taylor and I work for Aqualife Services. We have organised this machine trial, the first, it's a new business concept for Aqualife Services to work in conjunction with the machine manufacturer Torben Rod, the ROSSI company, and Panos from Christophilogiannis from Greece. So we're working in a collaboration to provide a complete, all-inclusive service for vaccination of sea bass for the Greek industry, but also the sea bass industry in the whole Mediterranean. So it's a new business model where we bring the machine to the customer site, we bring the staff, we bring the knowledge and all the equipment. So it's to take away the stress and the cost of the vaccination for the farms. So it's a contract service for the farmers to use us to improve the vaccination.
The main purpose of the company is to make a profit, to reduce the cost, because now we are vaccinating by hand.
The machine is quite a simple vaccination machine. It uses proven technology with the Soccerex syringe, which has been used for many years in fish vaccination. We are using a 6-channel machine and 3 people to feed the 6 channels. And this will be faster than a hand vaccination team. So less people, because the sea bass industry relies on a lot of fish needed to be vaccinated very quickly, and we're hoping this service will provide this for the industry.
We produce here in this company, in this area, about 5 million of sea basses and 2 million of sea bream.
My name is Nunu. I am a veterinarian working for AquaLife Services from Scotland. I am the territory manager from the Mediterranean. So ROSSI developed this machine in a partnership with the Targetfish project, and now AquaLife Services is helping putting this machine into the farmers. So we are going to deliver this service together with ROSSI.
Today we had a demonstration and about the ROSSI's vaccination machine with the corporation, with the AquaLife's team and Celoda team. I think the demonstration was good.
The sea bass industry has a problem with vaccination at the moment. It's very, very labour intensive, and they have to employ a lot of people or use farm staff. So if the farm staff are vaccinating, then the other jobs on the farm don't get done. So by bringing our own staff with our expertise and our machine, it takes away this stress and provides a better quality service for the customer.
So fish vaccination is the process of generating a good immune response in the fish, which means that the fish will be well protected from diseases from the vaccination. So having a good vaccination standard will definitely improve the farmer's life through getting less disease into their farms. That's what it's meaning onto their day-to-day life. It's having less disease on farm.
So at the moment, the hand vaccination teams, it takes a lot of time and effort to get the people to be trained to hand vaccinate, maybe 3 or 4 months before they're quite fast. And so there's a constant turnover of people, so it's very time consuming, labour intensive. With the machine, because we use less people, it is not such a great skill, because the 3 people are just feeding fish into the machine, and 1 machine manager who will run and maintain the quality. So it is less people, but the amount of fish we do is more than a hand vaccination.
Automated system.
Yeah, with the automatic system you can ensure many things that you cannot secure when you vaccinate by hand. You can secure that the vaccination will be done correctly. You are not afraid about making an accident with a man who is doing this, so he could vaccinate himself.
So it is more effective because we can do it faster. So efficacy in terms of fish health, it will be doing it faster with the same or a better accuracy on the injection point. So that's what we are getting at the moment. We are doing it faster than what we would expect to do it manually.
Goes to the large amount of experience we have, like in Celoda, about the production of sea bass. I think the machine is very good. Is helpful.
I'm really happy about today's one. Of course, we have been using this machine for a very short period of time, but for the short period of time we have used it, there is a clear development into the machine. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah.